But Mom, I don't want to go to sleep.
Sleeping early is good for you.
But Mom, I'm not a kid anymore. Mom, I don't want to go to sleep.
If you don't want to go to sleep, then I'm leaving now, son. Good night.
I'm sleepy. Whoa, where am I? This is so cool! Hey, fruits! I want to catch you! Whoa, help! Ah, I'm drowning!
You can't catch us.
How is this possible? I lost to those little fruits!
Hey, why are you crying?
Son, to win you must have a healthy habit. Like eating healthy, exercising, and sleeping early.
Yes, I understand, sir. This is good. Come on, one more lap. This is so fun. I've grown bigger and stronger. I guess it's time to fight again. I did it! I've did it! I've defeated the fruits and veggies! Ah! I'm falling! What's going on? Mom, I've had a dream about becoming a pirate and fighting the fruits.
That's a nice dream, son. See, start from now on, you have to start practicing a healthy habit. Eat more veggie and fruit. And also sleep early.
Yes.
Mom, from now on, I will live a healthy life.